Hey y'all, this is Tyler. I'm a handyman for the average man. Got my workbench area here, and it's very cluttered. As you can see, got these shelves here, a lot of stuff on the floor. So today's video is going to be showing you how to use Closet Maid Shelves to put up on your studs, and this is going to help me clean up and consolidate a lot of stuff. Let me show you the area that we'll be working on today. Right, so this is where I'll be putting up the shelves. I have some empty wall right here next to the furnace here, and I'm going to make sure that it's away from the furnace and the pipes and everything so that we're safe and that nothing is going to be flammable that I'm going to be putting on these shelves. So I got my workbench right here where I just showed you, and the shelves directly where the camera is. Got my bench grinder and also my bench vise right here. So let's show you the product. So we have these two tracks here. This is called Closet Maid Shelf Tracks. So the first step is finding your studs. So you may not be able to tell from there, but I had little X marks all over this place because I had a stud here, stud here, stud here, and it took me a little bit to figure out where I wanted these to go and position the actual shelves. So first step is getting these shelf tracks up. I already have holes pre-drilled, so we're going to do that right now. I'm just going to be using a simple 2.5 inch wood screw. Alright, so we got both of the tracks up, and obviously you want to use a level, make sure that it's nice and centered. So it looks good, nice and level. Alright, so now the next step is using these Closet Maid Shelf Brackets. So they look like this. They hook into these holes, and I'll show you close up here in a second. We're going to go ahead and get 12 of these because I have 6 different racks we're going to use. Cool thing about this kind of closet made shelving is you can adjust it however you want. So now, this is the shelving I'm going to be using. So, you notice when you put the rack on, it's got have a little hook here that'll attach to this back bar. And I prefer, if possible, if you can put one of these rungs against it, because that'll hold more weight. So, just kind of pull it in place, and that's locked in place. Okay, so we just keep going. All right. So I actually have, that's 5, and this is number 6, so I actually have room for one more set. Actually, I'm just going to call it good. So as I put things on the shelf and get the storage how I want it, I may feel like, hey, I need an extra shelf. That's the beauty of Closet Maid. And I'll do one of those little dings, like this. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Alright, so I got the shelves all loaded up As you can see, got my scrap metal, aluminum cans, steel and tin alloy, and then got some wires and some computer chips, that sort of thing. And then we got paint thinner, sealants, mud, some paint products here, some stains. Got my pesticides, car, automotive supplies, and some miscellaneous stuff. So there you go. It looks good. I went ahead and did these 3 shelves as well, so that's coming along nicely. And so I was able to clear up quite a bit of space. As you can tell, the floor is quite open and everything's looking nice. Alright, so that's it. If y'all enjoyed the video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps me out, helps other people find this video as well. Comment below if you have any questions, or if you have any other shelving ideas that can be helpful for other people. This brand is pretty common from what I could tell. I appreciate you watching, and as always, I am a handyman for the average man. Y'all take care. Bye.